I'm going to take you back to basics in today's video. I'm going to be looking at angles where a line intersects a set of parallel lines. Parallel lines are two lines that stay equidistant apart, so their gradient's the same. They never get closer or further away, and in this case, because they're not the same line, they'll never intersect. Okay. And you can tell in exam questions that they're parallel when they've got the same amount of lines on them, and if you had a different set of parallel lines running along, you'd put two little arrows on them to say that the ones with two arrows are parallel to each other, not get them confused with being parallel with these ones. Anyway, so we're going to look at this angle A and see how it compares to angles B, C and D, and what rules we can use if we've given A to find these other angles. The first one I'm going to look at is A is equal to C, okay? And this is the rule of correspondence. See that the way this line intersects with this line is going to be the same intersects with the other parallel line, because these two lines are parallel. This line's got constant gradient. Well, these angles are identical just through like symmetry. Alright, the way it passes through, this one has to be identical to that. Okay, so A is equal to C, and that makes sense, right? Now we see, well, this is a straight line that C and B are on. So B C is equal to 180 degrees. Well, that implies, since A is equal to C, that B plus A is equal to 180. We'll put our degrees on, right? And this gives us our next result, which is called allied angles. But I'll remember this. The first result, you can remember as an F angle. You see, we get this line up, and the two lines coming up like a capital F. This one's almost like a C. So that's one rule to remember. And then the final rule is and the angles found within that Z are A and D, and these angles are equal to. And the way you can see this using the other results is, there's another rule that says opposite angles are equal. So in this little 360 circle, B would be equal to this angle here, and C is equal to that. Or if A is equal to C, then A is equal to D. Alright? But sometimes it's just easier to remember the corresponding angle rule to get straight from there to there, rather than having to go there to there to there. But that's it for this video on these rules. We'll do lots more on angle problems, maybe some circle theorems and all that to come in the future. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.